You know, Lutron, we've been around for 53 years, and our founder patented the light dimmer. So we've been around lighting and really controlling lighting. Because you're talking now with LED sources. LED sources are really a digital node. And when you have a digital node, there's so many things you can do as part of a building's environment or a home environment. So some examples, you can screw out a standard light bulb and screw in a light bulb that has a radio built into it. And what can that do? That can give you the ability to control it within the space, in another room in the home, or outside of the home through connection through the internet. Is that useful? It can be useful in terms of energy conservation, but also security. It can be a very useful part. When you talk commercial applications now, connected lighting just offers so many opportunities for occupancy sensing, to know where people are in a space, for real estate management, for security reasons, for energy monitoring, for maintenance. But the real key in all this is really doing it simply and really making the pieces come together and fitting together like hand in glove. And what do I mean by that? Is you can have pieces from different companies coming together, a luminaire, a light engine, a control, maybe interface with a building management system. And one of the things we do at our company is figure out a way to put these pieces together to meet the specification, design the project, have it installed, commission it, and post-occupancy to make sure that the customer is happy with the solution. And this is really what we do in our company. And that's a very big key, because if you can't make it simple, people aren't going to use it. And the other thing to remember, and people always ask us, as energy density is going down from a lighting perspective with LED technology, why do you need to control? And the thing to always remember is energy for most companies is probably 1% or less of their revenue from an expense standpoint. People expenses could be 30%, 40%. So making an office more convenient, more comfortable, more productive is extremely, extremely important. That's the reason you want to control. But the system has to work all the time, because lighting may be essential for the operation of a building. Let's take an example in a commercial building. You may have a Lutron lighting control system, a Lutron shading control solution that interfaces with a building management system that will have HVAC and life safety as part of the system. How will those work together? What we do in our company is our systems are BACnet compatible. And with BACnet as a standard, and that compatibility ensures that the system, the building management system and the Lutron lighting control system are come together. We also have our own services company. And with our services company, who are Lutron employees, we'll go and commission the job and make sure the job is meeting the specification. But more importantly, making sure that both the property manager and the building owner are satisfied with the operation. And we do that through the entire warranty period of the system, which could be anywhere between, on the type of system, from 2 years all the way up to 8 years. And the standard in our company is we try to make sure our customers are satisfied through the life of the system. And we design our systems in that they are going to operate as a part of a building. And what I mean by that, we design our systems for operation for many, many, many years. And we tell our customers we'll support them for a minimum of 10 years. And in reality, we support them for a lot longer than 10 years, because we're a part of the building solution.
This week at Light+building, we're introducing our new LED driver range. We're moving up to 50 watts now, so we've moved from 35 to 50, aiming specifically at the linear troffer marketplace and the 600 by 600 ceiling tile. This driver, not only does it run full DALI IEC compliant, it runs the Lutron ecosystem proprietary protocol as well, with no additional wiring, no additional fixes or protocol changes, automatically sensing the two. As a manufacturer, we found various issues on site of people wanting to guarantee compatibility. And the only way we can really guarantee that is to make sure we have a system that all the parts are tried and tested and guaranteed to work. So at the moment, you can effectively be buying drivers from one company, sensors from another, controls from another. Who's going to make sure that works? If we sit there and we join everything together, the same pieces of the puzzle by one manufacturer, the client will know it's going to get a system that's going to work and one person to call to make sure it does.